Symfony 2 is a fairly comprehensive framework. We've seen how Symfony uses a number of constructs and sub-technologies to manage different aspects, including YAML, Doctrine, and Twig. For some, these are its strengths. Shorthand methods to make development time faster. For others, they add the burden of learning technologies and additional overhead. With this version of Symfony, they have designed flexibility into it, allowing you to use these aspects or not. In addition to the basics we've covered, there are a number of things to learn in order to get started working with Symfony. There are a couple places to look. The Symfony book can provide a good jumping point for learning some of the fundamentals. For getting in and learning more about routing and the controller and handling dynamic routing and REST-friendly URLs, you can use the templates to create helpers, and there's all the special tags, there's escaping, and there's a number of things you can do for JavaScript integration. Symfony has a built-in security construct that you can use for authentication, and it can handle some client management as well. Just like with other aspects of Symfony, you can use different ways to implement these technologies. There are a variety of caching mechanisms you can use. These include HTTP caching and edge-side includes, and these will be key to making sure your applications can perform well. Locales and translations can help with internationalization. Another thing to look into is the service container. The service container is a great way to manage the objects inside your application. It uses a concept called dependency injection, and it's one of the key selling points of Symfony 2. In addition to the book, there's the cookbook, and inside the Symfony cookbook, there are a number of different examples broken down into different categories that can help you learn different aspects of working with the Symfony application. The Symfony framework has evolved in version 2 to become a powerful and more flexible development framework. In these movies, we've introduced the concepts that are important to understanding Symfony 2, including how to implement routing and controllers, creating views using templates, and managing data with Doctrine. There's much more to learn, and I definitely recommend visiting the Symfony book and cookbook at symfony.com.